Fake information has been used for centuries to change how people think and control what we believe. In the past, war propaganda was common. Posters, speeches and newsreels twisted the truth, shaping how people saw the world. Today, fake information spreads even faster online through social media, news sites and chat apps. Unlike old propaganda, fake news can be created and shared by anyone, making it harder to tell what's real and what's not. Misinformation is false or misleading information that's shared by accident. Imagine you hear something from a friend and share it, believing it's true, but it turns out it's not. No harm was intended, but it can still create confusion. Disinformation is false information spread on purpose. This is when someone knowingly shares a lie or misleading info to trick people, spread rumours or change opinions. Whether it's old propaganda or modern fake news, false information affects us all. Working in partnership with Ofcom and partners local to RhCT, Cwmpas aim to help people to know what to do when faced with the huge amount of information that's out there, and help them to see what's true and what's not.